Good day, viewers. Today's lecture is going to be on identification of automobile conditioning part. Here with me, I have a two diagram. One is the diagram with the orifice tube, and one is the diagram with expansion valve. The first diagram here, as you can see my screen, is the one with expansion valve. And the second diagram here is the one with orifice tube. So I will start the identification of the part from the first diagram. If you are a very good owner, this class also is for you. At least supposed to have an idea of the parts of the air conditioning system, so that maybe if it has issue and the technician happen to tell you what needs to be changed, you should be able to know what the technician is talking about. Probably might ask him some question: why do you want to change that particular part? What is the issue with it? Today is going to be just on the identification of the part. Then on our next class, we will try to. And our next class will be on the function of each part, what each part does in the circuit. In the refrigeration system, it has two phases: the high pressure side and the low pressure side. The high pressure side is from your discharge side of the compressor to your expansion valve, while the low pressure side is from the discharge side of the expansion valve back to the suction side of the compressor. So where the cycle start is from the compressor. This is the compressor. Right now we're on the circuit with expansion valve. This is the compressor. From compressor now, the red line here is the high pressure side. Compressed gas goes to the condenser. From the condenser here, you can see a fan here in front of the condenser. In our next class, we'll tell you the function why the fan is there and the function of the fan. Then from there it goes to the filter dryer, down to expansion valve, down to the evaporator. You can see in front of the evaporator we have a blower wheel here. We'll also let you know the function of that blower wheel in our next class. That will take us now to the second diagram, which is the orifice tube. I will show you around it. Then I will now let you know the difference between two of them. We are now on the second diagram, the conditioning system with orifice tube. The cycling is the same thing. Start from compressor and back to the compressor. So from here you can see you have the compressor here. Go down to the condenser. From the condenser to the orifice tube. From the orifice tube to the evaporator. From the evaporator to the accumulator. Then from accumulator back to the suction side of the compressor. The difference in these two systems is that one is with expansion valve, while the other one is with orifice tube. Then the other one also is with a filter dryer, and this other one is with accumulator. Another difference is that the filter dryer is after the on the one with expansion valve. You have the filter dryer between the condenser and the expansion valve. While the one with accumulator, you have the accumulator between the suction side of the compressor and the evaporator. That is the two difference. As I said, in our next class, it will be on the function of each part. I will tell you how each part works, what each part does in the circuit. Please don't fail to subscribe to our channel. If you have any comment, leave it on the comment box. Whatever is the comment, whatever is the challenges you are facing with your air conditioning or turbo air conditioning, drop it on the comment box. We will attend to it. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, like it. Above all, stay tuned for our next lecture. Thank you.